Yo, DWTS18 user. Wanna make your car listen to you? Let's get Toppal Voice installed and talking. Step 0, gear up. You'll need. Don't just grab any version, this ain't plug and pray. Copy everything to your USB, plug it into your car, and fire up the file manager. On your computer, unzip it. Inside, you'll find, 3 APK files. One by one install all 3 apps. Main app, support app, and that sneaky little config app. Once installed, launch the app and enter your activation code. You got it from FixMyDash, right? 2 minutes later, boom! You're now talking to your car like it's 2025. Oh wait, it is. Comment TS18 setup if you want the full PDF or help. Visit FixMyDash.com to grab your license for $18, and yes, we're still giving out that sweet $8 coupon.